Alright, we're at Loon Lake today. We're going to try to get some panfish, set up some tip-ups, maybe get some pickerel, maybe some perch. And it's February 17th, Sunday, 2019. Let's see what we get. I literally just got here. I'm at about, I don't know, 8 feet of water. Now that's a nice perch. Alright, so we're setting the tip up. I want to show you guys how I set tip ups out. I watch YouTube usually to learn things, to figure things out at different lakes and everything. So I want to try and help you guys out that are watching this. Usually put your sinker about a foot or so away from your hook, treble hook. What I have here is a bass minnow, shiner, whatever you want to call it. Usually I put it right in front or behind his fin. This, I put it right in front. There's a vein that runs through the top of his body that you don't really want to hit. Well, you don't want to hit his spine either to paralyze him. What I like to do is make sure that he can still swim, so you didn't paralyze him. And he's swimming fine. He's swimming right around my transducer. Alright, so we got another one set up. This is a little different style, but it's still the same concept.
So you got 10 feet, I got 8 feet, 17 there.
Get in that groove.
See this hole right here? It's going to be the biggest fish we get all day, right here in this very hole.
Alright, I'm thinking it's going to be on mine. So, I just set this up. I haven't even set out the other two of them. And it's already spinning.
Let it go. Let it run with it.
No.
Yeah, I can get it. It's going, dude. It's a pickerel.
No. I'm aggressively bringing it up because I know this line is huge. Got 65-pound freaking.
Holy shit.
That's a bass.
Yep. I told you there's a lot of smallmouth.
Look at that. Nice one.
That's what I thought we would catch, right? It's going to be like this all day.
Okay. Alright, so you just checked it. It's 17 inches long. It's smallmouth bass. We're checking the regulations now. We're unsure if it's in season or not. If it's not, we're going to throw it back. So we just looked it up and it's catch and release only. So we're going to put it back before it freezes. There he goes. Alright. We got another one on. No? Alright, that's all we got for today. Got a couple perch, a couple smallmouth bass, one pickerel. I didn't get it on camera, but I had my music up too loud and Aaron caught it. Didn't really get into them today. You got an area high pressure. So that's it for today. If you do come to Loon Lake, be careful of, I don't know if I can zoom in right here. You can zoom in. Be careful of that house right next to the red house. There's Laugh-A-Lot Bar. Be careful of that house. It's got a bubbler in it and it's compromising the shore ice. Unsafe and it's dangerous. But that's it for today.